This is our second SOKY Robot Royale. We've hosted this once before in 2019. This is a computer science extravaganza. We have 250 students from several different school districts in our region that have all shown up, and it's all robots and computer science-based activities for the students to compete and participate in.
We're here because we program robots for STLP, and we're doing fun activities as well.
We have programmable drones, we have coding stations, we have robots to program, we have 2 competitions going on right now with Lego robotics and programming those to compete with following lines and sumo bots, which is a lot like battle bots but with Lego robots.
It is a great experience, like just to do all of these activities and be around certain people. It's just enjoyable.
GREC is always thrilled to death to open their doors and have kids. We have teachers here every day just about learning how to make instruction better in their classrooms, but this is all about the end result of that, right? It's getting it in the hands of the kids. And so that's what's so special about this day to me, is it's one of the few days that we get to open our doors and have over 250 kids show up to be the learners today. So that's exciting for GREC.
So far today, I think the best part, I think it was the birthday card I got to do, where it was a paper circuit and it got to light up, and so it was a cute card.
If anybody wants to get involved with robotics at their school, they can contact their STLP or robotics coach. Our technology department has a lot of information on how to get started with these programs as well. So you can reach out to our technology department and we can point you in the right direction.